April 16, 1972, was an eventful day for presidential candidate George McGovern. He had just finished delivering a speech in South Dakota and was looking forward to some rest and relaxation at his hotel room. Little did he know that this day would be forever etched in history as the day he got stuck in the shower. As McGovern stepped into the hotel shower, the water suddenly turned scalding hot, forcing him to jump back and hit his elbow on the faucet. In pain and disoriented, he stumbled and found himself unable to get out of the shower. The more he tried, the more he got stuck. The hotel staff heard his calls for help and quickly rushed to his aid. However, they were unable to free him from the shower. It was clear that they needed professional help. The fire department was called, and firefighters arrived with saws and other tools to cut through the pipes and get McGovern out of the shower. Meanwhile, news reporters who had been following the campaign trail heard about the incident and raced to the scene. In no time, the hotel lobby was filled with people trying to catch a glimpse of the presidential candidate stuck in the shower. Reporters were snapping photos and taking notes, while firefighters worked frantically to free him. Finally, after what must have seemed like an eternity, McGovern was freed from the shower. He emerged, soaking wet and shivering, to a round of applause and cheers. Despite the embarrassing incident, McGovern managed to keep a good sense of humor about it. He joked with reporters that this was the kind of thing that happened when you were running for president. The incident quickly made headlines around the world, with newspapers and TV stations reporting on the shower debacle of the presidential candidate. It became one of the most memorable moments of the campaign trail, and even today, over 50 years later, people still talk about it. Looking back on that day, McGovern himself said that he was grateful for the incident. He believed that it showed him in a more human light and helped voters relate to him as a person, rather than just a politician. In the end, despite getting stuck in the shower, George McGovern went on to win his party's nomination for president but lost to Richard Nixon in the general election. However, the shower debacle remains one of the most entertaining and unforgettable moments in American political history.